Nigeria is facing one of its most difficult security challenges in recent years. Terrorist attacks, kidnappings, bomb explosions, entire communities living in fear. And according to the 2025 Global Terrorism Index, Nigeria has now risen to 6th place among the most terror-affected countries in the world. But what is really happening? Why is terrorism increasing again? And what does this mean for the future of millions of Nigerians? Today, we break it down, clearly, calmly, and factually. Who are the terror groups? Nigeria's terrorism problem isn't caused by one group, it's a combination of several forces. 1. Boko Haram and ISWAP. These are the most active groups, especially in Borno, Yobe, and Adamawa. ISWAP has become more deadly, using explosives and kidnappings to spread fear. 2. Sahel-based terror groups. Groups operating from Niger and Mali, like IS Sahel, are slowly pushing toward Nigeria's borders. Porous borders make it easy for fighters to enter rural communities. 3. Bandits turning terrorists. Some criminal groups in the northwest have adopted terrorist tactics, mass abductions, extortion, attacks on villages. Their goal is usually money, but their methods create nationwide fear. Government response. Nigeria's government has intensified both military and legal efforts. Military operations. Airstrikes in Borno State have reportedly eliminated dozens of militants. Ground operations continue along major roads like Maiduguri-Damaturu. Legal actions. In recent months, Nigeria secured 775 terrorism convictions through its special courts. This shows a renewed push to bring suspects to justice. Non-kinetic strategies. Government agencies are also focusing on intelligence gathering, community engagement, counter-radicalization, reintegration programs. These strategies aim to reduce the long-term appeal of extremist groups. How terrorism affects Nigerians. The impact goes far beyond the attacks themselves. 1. Economic damage. Farmers cannot access their fields. Businesses avoid certain routes. Transport costs increase due to insecurity. 2. Social disruption. Thousands have been displaced. Children miss school. Families live in constant uncertainty. 3. Psychological fear. Even places untouched by attacks still feel unsafe. Because terrorism creates fear that spreads faster than bullets. What can change the future? For Nigeria to truly defeat terrorism, 3 things must happen. 1. Stronger regional cooperation. Terror groups move across Mali, Niger, Chad, and Nigeria. No country can fight them alone. 2. Economic opportunities for youth. Most recruits are young men with no jobs, no support, and no hope. Better opportunities reduce recruitment. 3. Community-driven solutions. Local intelligence and trust are more powerful than guns. When communities feel protected, they resist extremist influence. A message of hope. Nigeria's story is not finished. Our country has faced challenges before, and survived. Every day, brave citizens, soldiers, journalists, volunteers, and community leaders are fighting for peace. Terrorism is a reality. But it does not define Nigeria. And by understanding what is happening, we take the first step toward a safer future. If you want more clear, fact-based videos like this, subscribe to the channel. And share this message so more Nigerians can stay informed.